If the scissors in your home have become so dull that cutting anything feels difficult, and you're thinking about throwing them away, hold on for a moment, because today I'm going to share an incredibly simple trick to make old scissors sharp again using just an old battery, something almost every household already has. It may sound hard to believe, right? But after watching this, you might never want to throw away another dull pair of scissors again. Just like my scissors here, I've been using them for more than 2 years, from cutting paper and fabric to opening food packaging. But after a long time of use, the blades gradually become worn out, rusty, and lose their original sharpness. Throwing them away would be such a waste, while constantly buying new ones can get expensive. So today, I'm going to show you a super quick, budget-friendly trick to restore old scissors. And the results might surprise a lot of people. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Before taking your scissors to be sharpened, remember to do this small extra step first. First, we need toothpaste. This is not only an oral hygiene product, but also a very effective polishing agent. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste onto the scissor blades. Use a toothbrush to spread it evenly over all 4 sides of the 2 blades. Avoid using your hands directly to prevent scratches or cuts. Toothpaste contains ultra-fine abrasive particles that work like tiny polishing tools, gently wearing down dull spots and rust on the blades, making the surface smoother and preparing it for the next sharpening step. Let the scissors sit for about 2 minutes so the toothpaste can soften and loosen stubborn dirt and residue. While waiting, prepare an old battery. Peel off the outer plastic layer to expose the metal inside. This metal part will help sharpen the scissor blades. Where are you watching from? It's wonderful to know that we're connecting with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you for your support. Place the battery core into the gap between the 2 scissor blades. When sharpening, note that the outer edge of the blades has 2 beveled surfaces. We only sharpen the smaller beveled edge at about a 45-degree angle. This is the main cutting edge. Position the battery correctly, then rub it back and forth about 30 to 40 times on each side. The important thing is not to use too much force and never cut directly into the battery because batteries contain toxic chemicals. Simply let the metal surface of the battery lightly touch the blade edge, creating enough friction to sharpen it. Also, never sharpen the flat side of the scissor blade. This part is meant to maintain the blade's angle, not the cutting edge itself. Sharpening the wrong area will actually make the scissors duller. Always sharpen only one side of the cutting edge at a time, focusing on the thinnest edge along the top. After finishing, use a paper towel to wipe off the toothpaste. Now it's time to test the results. Try cutting a plastic bag, paper, or a tissue. The scissors will glide smoothly and cut cleanly right away. But that's not all. If the scissors are rusty, we'll clean them immediately to keep them sharp and shiny. Prepare a plastic container, place the scissors inside, and pour white vinegar over them. Then sprinkle baking soda evenly across the surface of the scissors. Wrap the scissors with 2 layers of paper towels so the baking soda sticks better. Then pour more white vinegar onto the paper towels. At this point, a fizzing reaction will occur. These cleaning bubbles will reach into every corner, breaking down rust and dirt. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then remove the paper towels. Use a brush to gently scrub away the remaining rust completely. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then wipe the scissors clean with a dry paper towel. You'll see the scissors looking shiny like new, free of rust, and safe to use for cutting food or fabric. Now the scissors are not only cleaner and more attractive, but also much sharper and more durable than before. Instead of throwing them away, you've saved money and learned a useful new skill. So, we've just discovered an incredibly simple yet surprisingly effective scissors sharpening trick that can make dull scissors sharp like new in just a few minutes. What surprised you the most in these steps? Share your thoughts in the comments so everyone can try it too. If you know any other interesting scissors sharpening tips, don't hesitate to share them. I'm always ready to learn more from you. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the Clever Tricks channel so you won't miss more small but incredibly useful tips like this. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next exciting videos.